Honestly surprised that more homebrew like this already exists, but okay. Okay. So I've been writing some code. Um, yeah, I'm writing some code. And I figured I should probably be streaming this. So, I am writing code at the moment to just open the regular package installer. I want to have a feature where you can open your original package installer in here, but also I want to implement my own package installer. Kind of what I have right now. I see there's a unregister. Unregister proc event handler. So it takes just the UID for it. So that in event handler UID equals -1. Equals -1. And then let's set this equal to that. And then if this, right, is not equal to -1, or is greater than or equal to 0, right, yes than equal to 0, then we want to set up the redirect. And then what we also want to do is have a function to like delete this, right? So in post 0 package redirect. Basically the idea is like this will be used to redirect the host 0 package folder to like any directory I want. Basically, if event handler UID is greater than or equal to 0, then we will call proc unregister handler. That is greater than or equal to 0. Event handler UID. Right, if that whole thing is greater than or equal to 0, then after all that, we will then set event handler UID back to -1 and return 1, otherwise it will return 0, saying it's like unsuccessful. Event handler UID is greater yes than equal to 0. We only want to do this whole thing if the event handler is yes than 0. And we're gonna make an extra check if event handler UID is greater than equal to 0. and return 1, else returns -1, and then return 0. And then return 0 at the end of all this. Okay. This should, maybe, possibly, do what I want it to do. I'm not sure. But the idea is that we want to have this setup package redirect after the app starts, and then once the app has started, you know, we then want to, like, once the app starts, we then want to get rid of this, right? So we can do this, run package installer, so then this will get called, because this is set up, for like events, right? And then an event will happen when the application starts. It'll then create a kernel of, or can create a FIOS OVA, and then remove this event handler. Right? I think so. I think that's what it will do. And now unsets. We need like an unset function as well, which unsets int which just string copies new package though with zero package. So sets these back to the defaults, right? And then calls term whatever. Actually, I don't even need to check this because there's already a check inside here, so I can just straight up call this twice, right? Okay. Set up host zero package redirect. Okay, so that should like in theory allow us to like change the package directory and also enable package installers. This function will enable the package installer, right? That will hook this QA flag check to return 1, but it will disable itself immediately afterwards. And then this set package directory will set up a event handler to redirect the next process that starts host 0 package folder to whatever new package that was set to. And then it will immediately unregister that, so it will only have to happen once as well. I think that's what I want. Okay, next I need to create disable dev packages and enable dev packages, which is also fairly simple. I just need to hook like is development kit or whatever. Is tool, I believe. KSC SBOMGR is tool. This. Or I can hook directly in MPDOM the function I found, which is probably what I'm actually going to do. Just because it seems a bit more direct. So I need to set wildcard, and then I need to set up the other thing. Connect to our shared Git server with IOVAC, which mainly just exists for MIG-Vito, but MIG-Vito requires reversing MPDOM, and so any bit of MPDOM reversing is probably helpful. So, yeah, Hydra, Day 2, or is this an ouch? No, this is day 2. This is I probably should have said day 2 in like the name, honestly. Basically I am currently working on I'm currently working on a kernel module that will load up immediately when the program starts, that will allow you to enable package installer temporarily, like the original package installer, because I want to have a feature where you can start the original package installer. I want to have it as a feature inside the new package installer. I'm gonna. It says Shirato does it. Oh shit, you're right. Hang on. How do I change that? That's a point. Studio. How do you change that? How does one change? I think I have to do it from like the live studio, which I don't know how to get to. I think I closed it. Because it lags my computer out a lot. Can I do it from studio on a phone? Because it will be a lot faster. Is all. My watch history is off. Oh, I'm in private mode. Why am I in private mode? Let's see. How do I view my current stream? How do I name my stream the correct thing? I can't edit the video on like mobile. Yeah. YouTube Studio is that's not even the right place though. It's like Live Studio, right? I go create, I go live, right? This is the page I want, right? Call unregistered. I did. No, look. Here. I did it, as Princess. Look, I did it. I call it once it creates the PSOVA. Apparently the name's wrong though, so let me fix the name real quick. Edits. Okay, blah. And let's just swap a day 2. Save. Okay, fixed. Okay, that should have fixed it. Okay, so I have this kernel module that I made that simply loads like has like a couple functions here, but we need a couple more. We need one to enable and disable debug packages, which I found where that check was. It was an MPDRM. That's what I was doing before someone pointed out the name was wrong. Okay. Is dev console this? So this whole thing here, it returns. I believe it returns 1 if it is a dev console, and 0 if it's not a dev console. So, that's cool and all. Int enable dev packages. Okay, I need like what's it called? I wrote code for this earlier. Not GT toolkit. Inside Python Whitefin, I believe. Yes, here. So we need to get the module info for MPDOM. And then packet.log.c. We need to tie hook function for kernel like this, basically. Tie hook function offset. And then the function we want to go is this one, and is debug console, or is dev console, I guess. Is dev or QAF console technically is a better name. Because it also checks for a QA flag somewhere in there. Okay. Patched. Okay. And that will also be a hook. Let's see if I can have a set of hooks. Is dev console, is dev all QAF console hook. I know some people would be very mad at me for not acknowledging the QAF part of this, so okay. Because that ref and then I'll basically just do this again. And call this like disable dev packages. Like kplugin disable dev packages, yeah. So then disable dev packages, int disable dev packages, we'll simply just unhook this. You know. So if QAF hook, then QAF hook ref, so that's -1. And this whole thing will be like if is greater than or equal is yes and equal to 0, right? Then do all this. Return 0 or return -1 or return 1. Return 0 and then return 1 here. But only return 1 if this is now greater than 0. Then return 1. Yeah. I actually probably want to make some video on this one. Yeah, I want to make some video here in case, like, because there's a chance this, like, technically speaking, this function could fail if your console didn't have SPL, SS, MGL, or MPDOM. Color stable in is definitely, yeah. So basically, once you enable it and then like it installs a package, it's going to disable. I guess that's not actually behavior I want in this case, is it? This kind of behavior I want in this case. It's not in this case. You're right. Okay. Because these other ones, like, they only run when package installer opens up for the first time. So, like, I want it to key itself up afterwards opens the app. But this one, like, you're right. This one, you want this enabled all the time. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Disable dev packages. Okay, so now we just want to move that and fpkg disable dev packages and enable dev packages all in the same thing. Enable fpkg qaf set whatever, and we want the unset function as well. unset, whatever. Okay. So this is my cool kernel module that I made, and so part of this program called Real Package Installer, which I totally didn't just steal the build script for GC Toolkit and throw it in here. Okay, I totally did. I'm not gonna need the PC app for this out though. And the program is called Real Package Installer .vpk. So I have a question. This is mainly for Princess, so I know this is in the chat. Is this title ID like free? I feel like it probably isn't. I feel like it maybe isn't the best idea to use it, even if it is free. But also I kind of want to. Also, I feel like a lot of the stuff in here probably doesn't need to be in here. Like a lot of these C scripts can go, I think. Making homebrew package installer, but it actually hooks. Well, basically, Princess, all I'm trying to do there is I want the homebrew to have an option to open the original fake package installer. I plan on implementing everything anyway. Also, you need to hook in order to use scmptom to decrypt dev packages. You have to hook into mptom to do that. I've made homebrew that does this before. Like GC Toolkit does worse. GC Toolkit does a lot worse. If like look at this, okay, it fucking hooks the like SVL call func and like copies it into a buffer somewhere, and then like you can get the asked input and it just like copies whatever it captured out. Like I've done stupid shit like this before. Like your package installer, okay. There's basically package install checks those functions that I hooked at startup, and if they're there, then yeah, then and if they're passed, like if they don't give an error, then it will get you like through. Anyway, I don't think I need everything in here. I'm gonna keep BGM. What is net and device? Like what is device.c do? Okay, this is like raw device access. I definitely don't need device. Draw maybe depends what it does. Okay, draw is just beta 2D stuff. I'll keep that. Error.h. I don't think I'm gonna need that. What is game info? Read title ID. It reads param SFO from GLOZ. This is so specific. There's like no way I'm gonna need this. Okay, what does mbl.h? I'm probably not gonna need mbl.h. I can just tell you now, I'm not gonna need that. SHA-256 on Yankee, SHA-1 also on Yankee. Those can go. I'm not gonna need VCI.h. This is not GC Toolkit. SFO, is this just a SIFO reader, right? Yeah, this is just a SIFO reader. I mean, maybe I could read the SIFO inside the package. I could see that being helpful. But I'll just copy it over again if I need it. Like, I'm trying to like just get this to be like empty. Okay, initialize network is connected. This is sending a file over, and I'm unlikely to need that. Receiving one maybe, but like sending no. Menu.c. Right. This is the entire menu for this for GC Toolkit. Probably not gonna need that. I will make a menu, but like it'll look different to this menu. Maybe I want to keep some of this though, like these functions for creating a menu in the first place. Potentially useful, right? Like not having to write all this again would be nice. The issue I have with that is like this is like a very specific coordinates, I believe. I don't exactly remember what coordinates though. But Flintstone. I don't know. A lot of what's in here I'm definitely not gonna need though. Definitely not a reader to the texture. Draw white process, like no. Draw GC options, no. Actually maybe this. Draw GC menu. Is that GC prompt? Blah blah blah. All of this though. Pretty much all of this. Except maybe IME, because IME could be helpful. And I could confirm. That can go. That can go. This is a really shit way of making homebrew. Just take an existing homebrew and like modify it. That is such a moment. That is such a me moment though. Get files. This is like just print. This just shows like a list of files, right? So that's good. Do device wipe. Do device restore. Do device. No. No. This is draw GC options. Okay. Def opt 200. What does def opt do? Sets the Y position, apparently. Equals Y. Yeah. And it adds to that Y position, I guess. Trying to figure out like how exactly this renders. I don't remember how like any of this works. I feel like all of this though is not needed. Let's keep menu around. I mean, maybe we can use some of menu for like a new menu, you know? Maybe like this set here the positions. Draw text, draw progress bar, draw text center. Menu overlay pause X. Right, yeah. So I guess. Okay. So I'd say maybe something like this. Who knows? Okay. Do IME sounds helpful. Do confirmation message sounds helpful. Like, yeah. GC options. I wouldn't actually call it GC options. I call it like draw main menu. And I don't know how much are these required again. I think it's titles when it stops being required. Yeah. So, like, install package from UXO package. Install like install npdm bind package. Thing you can't do with fake package installer. Install npdm free package. Right. And then another thing would be launch fake package installer. That's kind of what I want. Like, you know, just short title main menu or real package installer 3.0. I don't know. I don't know what the hell to call this program yet. But yeah, that's what we can go with. I just realized I removed draw select file. I guess let's add draw select file back in from the GC toolkit, so I'm basing all this crap off. Believe so. Draw select file, yes. So that's there. Okay. Go do confirm dialog. Draw confirm message. That can go. Okay. Do main menu or whatever. Okay. So real package installer. We don't need like half of what's here. What's kernel C? This just starts the kernel module, right? So I think I actually do want this. Like yo kernel modules. Yeah, except not this one. We don't need this one for this app. And I can't call it food bridge. It's not called food bridge. It's called something else this time. So what's it called again? Real package installer helper. If real package installer helper, and if it's found, then blah blah blah. Sweet. Okay. So it loads the module and restarts itself. That should work, right? I guess this is where I was using the arrow.h. Okay, I'll copy arrow.h back over, and then I guess I will be using that. Pretty much everything that's inside this kernel.c is stuff I would probably want in here, so I'm just gonna keep it. IME probably, kernel H, yeah, draw H, yeah, crypto C. This is specific to game pads, so that can go. AES, no. IO, what's IO? Wait for partition, get files in folder. Read first file name, remove equal characters, mount partition, mount UMA. Who does? Okay, some of this I want to keep, like, get files in folders sounds useful. But the rest can go. I don't care about wait for partition. I'm not gonna wait for a partition to exist. And remove equal characters can say, but not mounting or unmounting partitions. Like we don't need that. But get free space maybe. Yeah, sounds good. Okay. CTRL-H just gets your get key, right? Okay. Cool. Let's now edit this make file. And well, it's not foodbridge.stub. What is it called again? Make this not kplugin. VO package installer helper. Stub. Okay. Seems good. Kplugin, yep. All of this seems alright. Cool. And you're back. Cool. So I am just editing. At this point, I'm just editing the GC toolkit build scripts to work with this new program. I'm keeping what I'm gonna probably use and removing everything else, which is just these. I could see. I don't know if I'm actually gonna need IME, but I could see it being helpful. But I do not need AES or any of these. Draw yes, CTRL yes, price no, crypto no, kernel yes, IO yes, game info no, SFO no, mains yes, menu yes, IME yes, net no, BGM yes. Okay. So gods. Look how complicated this program is. Okay. So Yode thing init menus. Is init menu still here? Did I remove the init function from menus like an idiot? I probably did. Init network, init sound. I don't need network, but sounds yes. You gotta have music in our app. Like it's important. Handle menu select option. Okay, do not need the GC insert prompt, but okay. There's a yacht in here. I'm gonna be like editing, like just to make this fucking work. Set menu options. God, there's like options for each section. Forgot about that. Okay, so install npdum bind package, install npdum free package, and launch fake package install. Those are the only options. So, main menu options. Start fake. No, install npdum bind package. Install npdum free package, and then launch fake package installer. You didn't do what? And then the rest of these can go for now. Yeah. All of this can go for now. Menu.c make. Okay, so it's got these three. Do select file, do whatever, do whatever. Yeah. I guess do main menu doesn't need this. I don't even know what this is for. I probably didn't need that. Do IME. Yes. Do select file. Yeah, okay. Okay, GC toolkits. App. There was like a couple things in menu C from here, like init menu and term menu. Oh, this was just the insert GC texture. I guess I don't even need those then. Like, I don't have any equivalents in mind for this one. So, yeah, I guess these aren't even needed then. Okay, and then this is real package. Yep, okay, I'm making sure I'm adding like the wrong file. Okay, I can get rid of init menus then. I can get rid of term menus because, yeah. Okay, handle menu select option, which is this. Do GC options. Selected equals do GC options. So, draw main menu, int selected equals 0. Draw main menu and selected. Like, I don't know. How does it work on GC toolkit again? Like, what's this function do there? Like, what would it be? Do GC options. Okay. Do GC options. It will be return selected. Selected isn't even an option. I guess process menu probably creates selected. Process menu, draw GC menu, draw main menu. Yeah. Draw main menu, which is selected in window, which yes. Selected window VAX, yeah. Okay. So do main menu is simply just run the main menu, and then depending on what is selected, right, then we do something else. That's basically how this works. So what were the options again? Was that's GC toolkit. That's not real package installer. This is real package installer. Menu.h. Okay. Install npm bind package, install fake package, and install and launch package installer. So let's start with all this. So case install npm bind package, which does nothing at the moment. And then launch and install npm free package, which also does nothing at the moment. And then launch fake package installer, which will that will work. That's one I want to implement right now. But and then all of these other ones can go because they're not used. I can go, and then I think most of what else is here can go to like handle select file. Maybe you can keep select file. Even then, like do select file. Okay, it's in here. But like, yeah, file selection. Like it's not that complicated. Like this is also kind of too specific. I'll handle these myself. That's extremely specific. That's extremely specific. Get output file name. Like, isn't an output file. This is not how this program works. That can go. Okay. Okay. Handle main menu. Okay, and now buy crypto, goodbye game info, keep kernel, keep draw, keep menu, keep IME. I don't see IME being used, honestly, but get rid of nets, keep PGM, keep yog, and get rid of price. Okay, that's a much cleaner main function. I'm basically taking GC Toolkit and removing all of the stuff that I'm not going to need in this program. And it's kind of like I'm actually not sure I'm gonna need IME. If I need IME, I'll just copy IME in. IME can go. Like, I don't see myself needing IME, honestly. With IME, draw IME. Like, I don't see myself actually needing IME. So, yeah. I don't see myself needing restore menu either. This is like specifically like for restoring to a device. I think the rest of this though should be fine. Okay. IO CTL draw menu. Let's just look at IO, make sure this isn't including anything. Okay, cool. Let me just try compiling it at this point, honestly. We'll see if it compiles. Probably not. I probably made some really dumb mistake, but we'll see. CD. No. Build directly already exists. Oh, okay. That's an easy fix. What's wrong? Vita bill was mixed. Finally, something put it in the right place. Not master source. Vita real GC. Master source GC dumper or whatever. Well, yeah, because it's not GC dumper. Oh, there's a build problem all these too. Okay. That's what the issue is. Okay. By the way, if anyone has any cool music to use with this, because I'm including the code to run background music, just because why not? Hi Novite. I am building my app, and it may or may not work. We don't know. Well, I got an error almost immediately. In function enable dev packages. Chat package install, whatever. Okay, so fail building even the kernel stuff, which, okay. So, enable dev packages. What's wrong with it? Expected. Oh, I never included a module stout in this whole program. No, I did. Oh, but it calls on stuff that doesn't exist. Okay. Well, that's my bad. Declaration of parameter set host 0 package though, but then no such parameter exists. Oh, I forget semicolons on some of these. Okay. So in function whatever cannot find ksce fias over yay. Add over yay for process. Cannot find apparently I'm gliding out of bounds as well. Which is okay. How big is I guess I'll just use the size of like this. For the string copy. I'll use Dorian for this, I guess. And just one. Just one. How big is a Fios over a destruct? Like how big is that? I think I can just straight up I believe I can just do this to figure out. Like I think I can just do this, right? Like, am I right in thinking that? Like, is that a thing you can do? No, that is not a thing you can do. I believe it would be like that, but like it would be in C, or maybe like that. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, I need to look at Vita SDK then. Vita headers, this. And then SCE Fios overlay. Overlay path size. Cool. Okay, there's literally a defined for it. That's nice. Okay. And then this -1, this -1. Hopefully. Fios add overlay for process. Return res. Implicit declaration of function disable QA flag. Disable package install QAF. Oh right, I called that before this is defined. Right. I think I can fix that by just including ftkg.h, right? Because it defines that. Yeah, now it's just these two. Which is term whatever it's called before it's defined, which is fair enough. Move out there. And then truncated may truncate 100 bytes of a string. Yeah, isn't that the point? Isn't that literally the point of showing copy? Is it truncates if it's too small? Like, I'm pretty sure that's just the point of it. Like, I don't know. Like, this one doesn't bug me about that, but then this one does, and it's like, well why? Because like that's literally the point of string copy is to truncate if the size is too small. Like, am I missing something? Maybe copying truncated 291 bytes from a length of 291. Is it because it's a -1? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be -1, so that way, like, it has room for the negative. Am I right? Then how does that create on process created, not found? Okay. So it has to be before that, but after that. Okay. I'm like fairly certain the truncation is literally what you want though. Like you want -1 here, like if it's full, the 0 gets written to the end of the buffer and not 1 over the end of the buffer. Like I'm pretty sure what I'm doing here is correct. Anyway, it complains about missing Fios overlay and register proc event handler. Which, okay. Where were these? So that's in SCE Fios 2 kernel. And this one is where? That is in SCE sysmem. Okay. So fios2 kernel for driver. So we want to head over to the make file for this, probably. Make file, right? And also you want to move like a other what's here. Sysmem. Like a what's here doesn't need to be here. Like LTC don't need this need to be here. Sysmem doesn't need to be in here twice. SDIF doesn't need to be here. Kernel fios2, yes. And then proc event for driver as well. Okay. Okay. Hopefully it will build now. I'm just gonna use that arrow because I'm pretty sure that's literally what I want. Like I want it to truncate. Yeah. Okay, yes, so it installed the old package install, so now it's got an issue on kernel C in the actual app path. Okay. So kernel C, well, it sets UID equals that's why. Failed to import ime.h. I should stop running build.sh and go to the actual folder with this in it because it keeps rebuilding the entire KP plugin. Okay. Too many arguments to draw main menu. Right, okay. So it got mad at select option handle main menu. Right, okay, so main has calls the wrong function. Handle main menu option. Yeah. And then it gets annoyed because max path isn't declared. Wasn't that declared in IOH? Yes, it is declared in IOH. Menu.c might be missing IOH. Include io.h. Speaking of IOH, I need to remove some functions here that don't exist, like all of these mount device ones, and wait for partition. The rest, I think, is fine. Yeah, I think so. Remind me to cd to the fucking folder next time. I need to stop doing that. Okay. CD app, CD build. Okay. Okay, so fpkg.h. You should all have things, and it should also have if def gouts, like if in def fpkgh find fpkgh1 and diff, right? It needs to have that, and then this needs to be copied to Kern as well. Basically the same issue, yeah. Copy this to Kern. This file's in Kern. Okay. Okay, so what else is the issue? So it's getting annoyed at draw main menu having too many arguments to function. Draw main menu. In menu C. It shouldn't though, because it has draw main menu, which is selected in window, and like that's it. And selected window VA args, selected window VA args, like no. I guess seems fine. Draw main menu, like that's it. Just draw main menu and like nothing else. That seems fine. What's wrong? Note and definition macro process menu. Expected expression before quotes. Like there isn't anything else specified in here, so it seems like it would be fine. Like, what? I'm lost. Why is that a problem? GC toolkit. I need to consult the wisdom that is GC toolkit. Okay. Let's unuse. So selected window title. Selected window. I guess all of them have like an extra entry. Yeah, I guess they all have different entries, right? Like there's none that are just straight up those folders and like nothing else. That's kind of what I'm getting. So I think it does need to have like an extra argument, which is annoying, but okay. I'll just do that then. Okay, now it gets annoyed at total options equals func. Selected window like VA args, expected expression before. I guess it's like I never set anything as like a second argument. But do I actually have to for this to work? Yes, apparently. That is surprising. Like that's actually surprising. I have to set a second argument for that to work. Okay. That's weird, but okay. I won't build, but before I try it, I'm gonna actually change the res images because this will look exactly like GC Toolkit at the moment. Yeah. So we're not using this image. This image can go, but we are using these ones. Also, I want to say app menu OVA. I want to say I'm like still using menu OVA as well. Yeah, menu OVA isn't in here. Let me grab menu OVA. Menu OVA dot PNG. So yes. Okay, so we got this background, which this is like the background for GC Toolkit. Obviously, right? But this isn't GC Toolkit. This is real package installer, and I'm gonna have like a completely different vibe to like what this is gonna look like. But yeah. So I'm gonna see. Do I still have the original like out files for GC Toolkit? I don't think I do. Okay, so I don't have this with the Yaos, which is kind of sad. But I'm just gonna like draw a line somewhere and be like, don't go past this point in like your out design. Like, you know, like don't go past kind of here-ish. I want to say like maybe a bit before like around here. I want to say don't go like past here. Okay, now we can just completely redesign this entire fucking UI. As I don't want it to look like this. I want it to look like package installer. Which means grabbing the assets from package installer. Right. So PS Vita, like, we have a BR. Where is this? SCE utils. 1.80 should be fine. Hub deck, VS0 app, MPXS 100. Okay, there actually is a 10032, so I can't use that title ID. Good to know. Contents. Okay, so not any of this. I actually want the sample plugin. And I need CXML decompiler, which I have somewhere. CXML decompiler. It comes up for a second, then it disappears. Open file allocation. Okay, so this should be the assets of package installer. And here. Wow, that is taking a while. That's like surprisingly complicated. I thought like there'd be like, I thought there would be like yes in that FCO, but apparently not. Okay. CSXML original. Okay, so we got a bunch of PNGs. Let's open all these up. Open. Okay. It's actually quite a few icons here. Like, yeah. Actually, I'm not sure what all these icons are. I think this is add-on data. Anyway. So this is package install, obviously. Like, you know, we all know package install is nice little icon. What? Wait, how big is this? 470 by 266. What? Wait, it's not even the full size of the video. Like what? It's not even the full 960 by 544. It gets upscaled at runtime. Really? Really? I did not know that. Wow. Like that is it's not even a clean like scale. It's like too big for the image. That's actually crazy. Okay. I did not know that. Okay, so package installer. This is package installer's icon, right? image that was displays. I'm going to hue saturation. I'm gonna just change this a bit. Let's make it like lighter, and let's go for like a purple. Yeah. Honestly, I think this might just be like the video app, but like slightly different. Well, actually, here's what we should do. Let's take this video symbol from here. Okay. I feel like this is supposed to be a programming stream, and now it's just me doing out. Okay, this is like this is kind of hard to see actually. Like it's kind of hard to see. I wonder if like I think the video app is like the same image, but like slightly different. What's the title ID for videos? What is the title ID for videos? I actually don't know. Let's search icon0.png and find it. Here it is. Yeah, I believe this is like the same image. Where is the RCO? Oh, here it is. Yeah, we wanted one of these. One of these. Okay, and we can also check video browser. Okay. I think this is just the video player. It doesn't have like the browse. This is like not the thing for selecting a video. Unless it's an original. There are a few PNGs in here. No. Okay, it's probably video browser then. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking one of these is basically just a package install one again, right? Like this is just I think package install is just this recolored. Like they're fairly similar at least. Then there's this one which is the PS3. This could be a cool image to use actually. Oh, then there's this one which I'm actually not sure where this is used. I actually don't know where this image shows up on the console, but hey. Okay. So I'm gonna take this one because I think this is closer to what I want. And it's also the right size right off the bat. That's actually cool. It doesn't have to be upscaled. Okay, and then I'm gonna hue saturation it to be purple, but like dark purple. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. There we go. That's how package install a background. And maybe if your power is horizontal, so that's on that side. Or we can just keep it here. I mean, the issue is that the overlay will be on top of it. But, I don't think it matters that much. Yeah. And this is 64, home, the blah blah blah, wieder, real package installer, app. So basically, app res, menu overlay. So this will kind of display on top, like around here-ish. I think that's good. Though it would be better if it was over here-ish instead. Which I might be able to move it. I think I can move it. I think it's in draw. Yeah, menu overlay. Menu overlay pause X, which is what exactly? Is that defined here? That is defined here. So let's change this from pause X to just menu overlay pad will be like 20, and then instead of screen width minus menu width for menu overlay width, let's just do 0, like 0 plus menu overlay pad. I guess both must be menu overlay pad, so it starts at 0. It starts at 2020. Right? And assuming everything else is like based around this image, like this location, then we should be good. I think. Draw text center. Yeah. Everything seems to be based around this location in here, so that's good. So just changing that should change everything else accordingly. I made this well. I'm surprised. I'm surprised I made this well. Okay, the only other thing is that yeah, that seems fine. Like 2020 is what it would be. So it would be here. It would look like that. Which I think that's good. Right? You can see the video logo. You can see the video in the background. That's important. That's iconic. Okay. Yeah, that's how it would look like. So yes. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's edit this actually. I'm actually gonna change it. I might make this like that's fine. Okay, now I'll copy this and I'll use it for pick 0 as well. Basically, like I'll just take this background I made and use it as pick 0. But of course it has to be 8 bits for that. I have no transparency, which is fine, I can do that. And then icon. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna take the package installer icon, and I'm gonna tint it to be dark purple. Alright? It's tradition at this point. It should not be flagged as a system file or hidden or whatever. It is. Hang on. Attrib minus s minus h icon 0. Okay. Let me make this dark purple as well. Perfect. Okay. Ooh, actually, maybe we can like, hang on. So, actually, instead of doing that, let me undo and let me invert. Right? Invert chaos. Now this should be white, and that's blue. Okay, not quite what I want to. I want to make this part white. Right, like I want to make this bit of it white and keep the rest of it, and then change the rest of it to purple. Adjustments, invert chaos. Whatever, sure. And then make it purple. I don't know. No, that looks awful. That looks actually awful. Okay. Hue saturation, bright white. Okay, that works. That works. Or at least like a little bit wider, so like, I don't know. Like that, I guess. Yeah. And then everything else, like, I guess these circles are. Okay, and now let me just fix these up manually because they look awful. I still don't know what the hell this icon is even supposed to be. Like, what is this? It looks like a minecart on like a fucking on like a bunch of rails or something. I don't know. Alright. Cool. There we go. That's our new package installer icon. Brilliant. This is literally just an outstream at this point. Okay, and then contents. Okay, I have bg.png. Let's copy this bg.png. Let's copy this bg.png, which is much smaller for some reason. You can do that? Like, what? Since when could you do this? Since when could you have your like backgrounds way smaller than like they're supposed to be? Like, I'm genuinely like, what? You can do that? Like, whoa. Let's keep canvas size. Let's shrink this down to be the right size. Because, you know. Okay. Great, great. Save. Yes. Yeah, 8-bit, whatever. Okay, and now I'm gonna do something Sony didn't. I'm gonna take oops, I overwrote the wrong one. I meant to edit this one. Oops. Yeah, I did not mean to do that. I'm gonna take this. Main one, thank you. The main background, just the highest quality one I have. Put that as background, keep canvas size, and then resize that down to be like the right size. Okay, that's all backgrounds. And then I'm gonna do the thing that Sony failed to do, and that is in my template XML, I'm gonna take this template XML and see this fake package installer text. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna make this actually display. So if I take this, pop it here, I get rid of the default gates. But then there's a way to make this text actually show up. At the moment, I think I've got the syntax wrong here. I don't remember how it works though. Where was that guide for like creating your own live area screen? I don't know. I don't usually do this that often. Yes, Peter. Live area screen PS Vita, like I think it was Hacking Farmer at God Awful site. No, I don't remember. Maybe got a different app then. One that actually has text that shows up properly. 15 settings. Right, settings has text, I believe, that shows up correctly. Template XML. Okay. Yes, it's Stow Kyo instead of Font Kyo. Yes, yes. Stow. Yes. Okay, and then I'm gonna change this to say real packaging. Okay, perfect. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. The perfect app. Okay. Vita real package installer app. The only issue is this title ID. I saw this earlier. This title ID is taken, so I can't actually use this. how pkg so VO package installer. Also, Sony writes it like this. They write a fake package as like one word. So I'm gonna do that too. VO package installer. All right. Okay. I should have out now. That looks nice. At least to an extent. Real package installer.vpk. This is how real men play Minecraft, except I'm not a man, so like, I don't know, this is how real non-binary people play Minecraft. I don't know. Okay, so let's install this app now. Actually, I think there's one more thing. Oh, it still has the OG. It still has the OGG. Okay, cool. Still has the music, which I'm also going to change to be a different music. I want to be more in theme with the Vito's music, because the GC Toolkit's music is really not in theme with the Vito's music. I might just steal the initial setup theme until then. But I would like, I don't know, maybe someone can make music for it. That'd be cool. Okay, let me get this in the build folder. Okay. And there's also another folder open of the yogs, right? PS Vito, dev, net yog mgr or whatever the hell. And net debug yog PC. Get that going for yogs. Oh crap, there's still the thing yogging all the keys being used. That can go. Okay. So I installed the app. Question mark VO package install. Okay, cool. So it doesn't detect the it doesn't detect thing. Also, this background doesn't work. Is the other thing I'm noticing. Why doesn't that work? Oh, actually, I know why. It's because I copied the template XML from package install, which references BG0 instead of BG. Okay, that's an easy fix. Okay, let's try that again. And the style symbol doesn't work. Like the style in here doesn't work. It just has a question mark. Why is this a question mark? Can this not do like Unicode? Can I just make SFO function not do Unicode? It's okay, I can correct it manually, but I'd like rather not have to. Is that a bug in Vito? I feel like that's a bug in Vito SDK. Like, it doesn't know how to handle Unicode, and like, I think. real package installer. Okay. Okay, cool. I don't see the text real package installer pop up. What gives? ID frame 3, multi-cell, auto flip cell. I guess maybe these are the issue. Then it's live item. Oh, I have to specify a language. I see. I guess they didn't do that either. En, okay, and then image option, like, and then text, origin image, whatever, text, okay, and then style color, and then size, and then slash style. Like, that much seems fine. I think I just needed the, I think it just doesn't like some of what's here. I think it doesn't like that, for instance. I think it doesn't like the title color either. The title color doesn't show up. Title color doesn't show up, but that's like I think it's because it's like a system thing. I might have to specify this as a system app. I can do that, right? That's con. That's app. Okay. Make. How do you make mksfoex? mksfoex. Either mksfoex. Either make sfo mksfoex. How the hell does that work? Vita mksfoex. There we go. Okay. S category equals GDA. Right? And maybe I'm thinking maybe like the character there was wrong. The one for CIFO. SCE utils. Where is SCE utils? There it is. Okay. FS deck. OS0. OS0. VS0. App. MPXS 10031. Okay, I meant to go into pop deck. Yeah, VSL app. MPXS 10031. SCSys. CIFO. I only set this to open with egg Lman CIFO editor by default. Like, I have it. Yeah. Let me do that. Let me set this to open like CIFO's automatically. Because I run into this a lot. Open for another app. Blah blah blah. This. Okay, this style. Maybe it's a different style. I don't know. Okay. Build package installer. Okay. I haven't even opened the app once. I want it to look nice before I even open it. Now I'm getting an error when trying to run it. Is it because it's GTA? Can I not can you not install a GTA? Fine, I'll use GDB, but I'm pretty sure GDB has like similar issues. Copying, okay, done. Install, blah blah blah. It's still a question mark. I still don't see the words real package installer. Like, this text still doesn't show up. Yeah, it still doesn't show up in here. Which is a shame. We'll start anyway and see what it looks like. Hey, real package install 3.0. Yeah, I have the options, like it works. The buttons don't do anything, but we haven't coded to do anything. So yeah, it actually works pretty much perfectly. Except this text doesn't show up. I really want this text to show up. God damn it. I'm gonna look at Vita Shell. It also has text though. Like, I'm gonna look at Vita Shell's template XML, and I'm going to see what they do. Because I want this text. I thought the only reason the text didn't show up was because it's set as text and not the string. Like, I thought that was all it was. But apparently not. I have area contents, template XML. Frame 2. Text bottom align, yeah. I have to specify where I want the text. I guess that's the issue. I don't know where Sony would have displayed it. Hack Informer template. I swear there was like a guide on Hack Informer how to do this. I swear there was like a guide on Hack Informer on how to fucking create like a template XML. Text. Section outside right, ellipsis off. Blah blah blah. Word wrap on. Like, how much of this is needed? Do I need to do align? Does it just need to have align on? It's off. Line break. Like, line break off. Margin left. 0. Margin top. 10. I guess let's just say it's like sensible defaults. Origin image. There isn't an image. Text BAI in center. On like, yeah. I don't know. Maybe A1 doesn't have a frame free. Like, I don't know. Like, Nine break on, Nine space free, imagine you have free. Like, what do they use? So here they just use origin frame. Is there any app on the Vito by default that like just displays text without an image or anything? I'm trying to see if I can find one. It's on every app. I suppose Neo to an extent. I know some of these are like completely custom live area designs. Welcome to Powdy. Okay, Powdy might have what I want. Fucking hell. No. Powdy has that, but doesn't have that at the same time. I don't know. I don't fucking know at this point. Live item text VAI in bottom text line, like VAI in bottom text. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with that and hope that like looks alright. Oh, it might not even look like anything. Maybe there isn't a frame free on A1. Like, this is frame free. Oh, this is A1. Okay, no, there is. Okay. Well, anyway, enough of that. Let's actually get to coding this again. Enough of the fancy XML, and let's get actually coding. So main C. This is where I do most of my stuff. So in main C, I'm going to include fpkg.h. All right, and one of the things I'm gonna do is as soon as the app starts, actually, I'm going to. This is an idea. I'm going to so I'm going to what? Oh, cool. OBS is breaking. Cool. So fpkgh has enabled dev packages and disabled dev packages. So as long as the app is open, essentially, I'm gonna actually yawk shell as soon as the app opens. And probably just add an option to close it. So yawk shell unyawk shell kernel. Yeah. Okay. And also disable power off. Well, probably like is a good idea. And of course, enable it again once we're done. You know. Okay, so while the app is running, we're not gonna get kills it normally. Actually, package always kills normally. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, because I want it to be like, well, I guess only when you install a debug package it needs to be set to. Yeah. Anyway, only when you install a debug package, I guess it actually needs to enable that. But anyway, so so here is what I want to do. I want to end here. Where is my fpkgh? Okay, here it is. In here, I want to first things first enable dev packages and then disable them afterwards. We're a good developer. We disable our stuff after we enable it. We clean everything up. We clean up after ourselves. I don't actually IOL like very well, but I try. Then we want to change the host 0 package directory to ux0 package instead of host 0 package, because that's annoying, right? And then unset host 0 package afterwards. And then we want to enable launching the package installer, which is this, right? And we disable afterwards. And then run pkg installer, which you can like launch appmgl launch app by ID. It's like some way to do that, I believe. No. Oh, I know someone will do it actually. Crystal PSM. Yeah, this will do it. Somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but I know it will do it. Like somewhere in the code for this. Launch app by name, right? Though without any packages to run by default. So just this, and then null with the ASCII point. Yeah. And then sc kernel da thread, go like 1000 times, like 5, so we wait for 3 seconds, something like that. If res greater than equal to 0, then we do that. Otherwise, we just disable everything we just did, right? Because otherwise it will still be just hanging around. Yeah. And then after everything, we disable dev packages. That should be like after they're done packages or what return back to our app, right? Okay, let's actually test this. Did you mean SC kernel the way thread? Yes. Oh, with a capital S. Genius. Hi, finally someone said something in chat. They said like 2 eyes. Okay, so this should, I think, now the button to launch fake package install should work. And we should actually see it work too. Yeah, we would see it work if we had included any logging code in our kernel module, which I did not. Like a genius. So let me go do that. Enable logging, yeah, so print stow, is what I want, which is like, yeah, like setting up events handler -n. I don't want it to be like logs in here so we can kind of see what it's actually doing. Right. On process created, kid equals %x, and then like kid. You know, and unregistered. Like, I want to make sure this is all working correctly. Unregistered proc event handler. Set, you know, whatever to package though. Actually, I can't do that. I have to do new package though. This is from user end. I guess it's like to be correct here. I should also have like enter syscall, right, and then leave syscall at the end. Return res. Like I think I have to do it if it's a syscall, right? I guess that's correct. Int res equals I mean, I don't think you have to. Like I think I've done it without doing this before, but I believe this is like correct. Cool. I'm adding a couple prints in just all over the place. Okay, there we go. Now there's like logs everywhere. So, yeah. Enter syscall invalid value ASM. Exit syscall. What do you mean valid value ASM? Like, how do I fix that? No, the headers for the broken, so like I guess I won't be proper. Like I don't know. Undefined reference to print style. Include log.h. Okay. Okay, copy real package install over. Yes. Okay. Real package. I still don't see the text. Launch fake package install. Hey, it works. It totally launches the fake package install. Okay. So now let's get to the fun part where we actually try use we actually try to make these work, which honestly I'm not sure if I want to do today because I've kind of done a lot. Let's swap this BGM out for like initial setup at least, because I don't know, I don't like it being this music. This music sucks. This music doesn't suck. It's just good. It's not. It's just not. It's just not for this app. Um. Initial setup. I don't have that 9 tool. If only someone made a site to convert at9 files to other formats. Where is it? At 9 conversion surface. Here it is. At 9 to Fiark. Yes. At initial setup dot 89. Bam. Okay. Bam. Initial setup. Go away. FFmpeg. Yeah, FFmpeg in my path for each. 17 whatever to bgm.ogg. Yes. It would be cool if you can at 9 in decoder and just read like the actual initial setup.ogg. But I don't actually want to use initial setup. I want to, this is just like a placeholder. The 2 megabyte file. How is this 2 megs? Oh my god. I did not notice my file would be 2 megs in size. Holy shit. Backslash end file. Well, no. There isn't? Like, there just isn't? Backslash new line at end of file. There just isn't a backslash new line at the end of the file though. Because this is the end of the file. Like, that's just factually incorrect? What is my compiler doing? I won't do a yaw gauge. Maybe I'll be happy now? I guess I don't need these. The other thing is, okay, so dash A, and then basically the auth ID for the app we want to fake, but we want to pretend to be, and in our case, I want to pretend to be package installer. So Xerox80. How's the same in Little Indian and Big Indian? Actually impressive. Alright, anyway. I want to pretend to be package installer. Okay. So for now, I guess that's it for this, probably. Let's check it still works. Okay. That works. I will probably stream again tomorrow. I'm kind of over doing video development now. Okay, get that up. Okay. I think if we have to go for this. I'm not sure. Field package install is a working title. I'm not entirely convinced it's the best name. But okay. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today. I'll be back later. I'm sorry I didn't get much done in terms of functionality. It was mostly just getting the app working even a little bit. But next, I'll go implement my own package decryption routines for MPDOM binds and free. Yeah. That's it for now.